In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean this nasty dish drain. No scrubbing needed. I've got a trick to getting these apart without breaking them. You can check out this short video to see how I did it. I'm using the CLR concentrate, and I'm going to dilute it down to a 1:1 ratio, which means for every 1 ounce of water, I'm using 1 ounce of CLR. I'm just going to saturate everything in the CLR, the mat, and the drain, anywhere there's gunk. Make sure it's evenly coated, and I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'm just using regular paper towels here, and look at that. It just wipes right off. See? No scrubbing. The CLR makes quick work of all this gunk. Oh, that's gross. Even in all these little nooks and crannies, it wipes away easy. You can't get better than that. I think next time I'll use an old toothbrush in this area. Here's the before and after. What a difference. I couldn't be happier with the results. I use this every time now. I'll be putting out more CLR videos in the future. For now, check out some other cleaning videos right here.